Hello guys, welcome to Digital Degs. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to tackle this problem it occurs after installing an OS. So this method works offline. You don't need any internet connection. As you can see, I don't have any. So the tool we are going to use is called netFramework offline installer. I'm going to attach a link in the description for you guys to download this tool. So make sure you have your installation disk or a bootable flash drive. If you don't know how to make that, I'll make a video on that also. So I've got my own plugin. Then the next is to launch this application. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It really means a lot to me. So after opening the application, we have to select the drive later where our operating system resides. So let me show you guys how to know that. So just move this, expand it a bit. So as you can see, the drive later where I've got my operating system on is D. So I'm to select D in the application, and as you can see, it has found the folder that it needs. So I'll just tap on install, and all you have to do is just sit back while it installs on your PC. As you can see, I don't have any internet connection, so this is 100% offline. No coding whatsoever. Enjoy the video. So before it finishes, let me show you guys how to know if it has finished successfully, because I think from here it's going to be successful at any minute, the seconds. So just type in Windows Features and okay, open turn Windows Features on or off. So from here, okay, as you can see, we've got net 3.5 and 4.8 enabled, and our application is done. The operation completed successfully, so we now have netFramework installed totally offline. Just skip this. Okay. As I said, I'll attach a link in the description for you guys to download this. Please appreciate this video by subscribing to my channel, like it and share it to your friends. I really love you guys so much. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I know I ask too much, but it means a lot to me. Do have a nice day.